Welcome everyone to another video. My name is Hagop, aka Hags, and I have the pleasure of showing you around a new double-story extension that my builder has done for his client. This project has taken about 3 months to do. He is so quick with all these projects that he does. I need to start getting onto these double-story side extensions, back extensions, everything like that. I mean, if you haven't seen other videos of mine in the past, I have said in the long run, I want to build from ground up. So seeing these sort of projects being done by my builder, seeing the level and quality he's going to, it always helps. And at the end of the video, I'll tell you roughly how much this all costs to do. Nice.
That is almost 8 grand.
8 grand?
Yeah.
Is that staying that pattern?
Yeah, the feature.
That's not, there's too much going on. Oh, I'm back here. I looked at that, it's expensive though. It's nice though. So this total came to between around... Alright, let's go and have a look. So this house, they've done a double story extension. I think they're finishing it off as well as we speak. So that window there is basically where they've extended outwards, and then behind as well, which we'll see in a second. You alright?
How are you?
I'm okay, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh, nice. So is this like the last... Hello, you okay?
Thank you. How are you?
Yeah, good, thank you. Is this the last final bits? Oh, nice. Is this from Howden's, this?
Yes.
Ah. Oh, it's a big kitchen. Nice.
That is almost 8 grand.
8 grand?
Yep.
For this?
Yep.
That's a bit much.
Different quality. This is all plastic.
But they've gone a bit more...
Compact. Hard plastic. It looks like marble.
Yeah.
Like hard plastic.
Maybe the handles, these a bit more, I think I remember.
No? Is just that small, but it's just the material itself.
Right.
The quality one. Even the door.
Okay, heavier.
More heavier, yeah.
Okay. Oh, they've gone different inside.
But yeah, inside is the price is no difference. It's just,
I think we done that by accident. You remember? It was quite nice, but it's just hassle.
yeah.
You know, rather just keep it all the same. Oh, it's nice.
That is there also we built in.
Oh, okay.
Not much space you see, but we cut the hole behind, so oven will sit right.
Hello, you okay? Nice. I mean, there's a lot of cupboards, isn't there? That's why 8,000 kind of.
Well.
Oh yeah, it makes sense.
Breakfast bar.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Over the bathroom. It's not done yet, this one, but
Yeah. Now have a quick peek. Nice. Oh, I like these tiles.
yeah,
It's nice.
it's nice, isn't it?
Yeah. What's the floor? Oh, the same as. I don't like the same.
Matte floor, glass top.
Yeah.
But you see the taps and stuff, all is gold, brass.
I looked at that. It's expensive though. It's nice though.
But it does look. Because there is a. You see in the tiles as well, there's a little bit gold as well.
Yeah. Matches nicely.
Yeah.
I think the flooring may be different because this with that the same is. I think it's a
We
bit
can have
much.
a look upstairs. They're different, but it look nice.
What tiles are you putting back here?
Not sure yet, but
Okay, nice. Oh, this is now we separate like 4 different rooms.
the old room was up here.
Yeah.
That is extended.
Let's see, oh, this is the ensuite. Okay.
Still is narrow, but it's quite good.
Small though.
Yeah, it is.
Because even this door here, you can't even put the bed back here, you know?
Because we could do open inside,
Yeah.
but in the end we plan to add a shower.
Okay.
Originally it's just a toilet and basin.
Is that staying that pattern?
Yeah, the feature.
That's not, there's too much going on. Oh, I'm back here. No, that's too much. Oh, yeah, no. Yeah, each to their own. Oh, this is nice. Yeah, I like these.
This is a mattress.
I like these. This is really nice. This is nice.
So you see tile is white and they go a little grey on the floor.
Yeah. This matches, nice. This matches perfectly. But again, they've gone for a different one behind here. Look, it's like a different pattern.
Yeah, inside is a different pattern. That one is electric. Because it's too many boiler, so this is why we split it.
Okay.
So one is electric, the rest two is combi. Running the combi.
So how many bathrooms now? 3?
Yeah, 3.
And how many bedrooms there? 3 or 4? The 4th one is that one now. Yeah. Okay, let's have a look at this one. It's the same.
But again, they need space for the kids, so this is.
I guess it's.
This is like a kids' room. So you came last time; it was exposed, no? Everything roof was.
Oh, the wall was still out, I think.
Yeah.
It was. Yeah, the roof was still out. All these walls were out as well. Yeah. So there we have it. After having a look around the whole refurbishment project, he's gone to a really high standard. Not only that, the client, of course, wants to spend a bit more on certain qualities and materials on the property. So of course, it's going to add up a bit more, such as a kitchen, having an island, having more cabinets, the bathroom going for a nicer tile finish. So all this sort of stuff adds up. And the rough total, I can't give you the exact, is of course the double story extension, a new roof as well. So he said he could have gone into the loft as well, but they didn't want to go to the loft as well. But everything else is brand new. It's turned from a 3-bedroom to a 4-bedroom property, 3 bathrooms, and of course a new kitchen area. So this total came to between around 80 to 100,000 pounds. I can't give you the exact figure, unfortunately, because every project's different and location's different. So I don't want to expose my builder's figures. So that's the rough figure that he went for. So let me know down below what you think of this project. But I've been Hagop, aka Hags. Don't forget the name, and I'll catch you in the next video.